Good evening, children. Today my topic is expansion. Expansion is given in 9th standard book, but it is started from 7 or 8 standard, named as algebraic identity, and there is a name expansion. Both are same thing. Expansion is the process in which contents of bracket are evaluated. Contents whatever inside the bracket that have to evaluate is called expansion. Expansion of my topic is divided in 3 parts. I will explain in 3 parts. Today first part I am explaining. There you can see 8 expansion identities I have written. It is called algebraic identity also. An equation which is true for all values of its variable is called an identity. An equation, you can see all are in the form of an equation. An equation is true for all values of its variable is called an identity. So we can say algebraic identity also. In class 7 or 6 it is written algebraic identity. So don't be confused in expansion and identity, both are same thing. Algebraic identity. Now I will explain one by one all expansion. First number is a plus b whole square is equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Then how to get it? It is a plus b into a plus b. A square means 2 times multiplication, a plus b into a plus b. Now multiply a by a plus b and second factor plus b into a plus b. You can say a square plus ab plus ba plus b square. In product, ab is equal ba, ba is equal ea. Can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. It is your first number of algebraic identity or expansion. Is it first number of expansion? First number is their explanation is clear. Now second number, going to explain second number is in this way. In both part or 3 part, I will explain all 22 identity. Now second number is a minus b whole square is equal a square minus 2ab plus b square. It is a minus b into a minus b. A square means 2 times multiplication. Don't think just like 3 square is not 3 into 2. It is 3 into 3. 2 times same number multiplication. Is a minus b into a minus b. Now is same like previous factor, a into a minus b, minus symbol is there. So put here minus b, a minus b is equal. Now multiplication a into a square minus ab minus ba minus plus b square. It means a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now second number is proved. Now this expansion which is explained, evaluated is called algebraic identity. It is an algebraic identity. This form is expansion of a minus b whole square. It is called algebraic identity because all these are true for all type of number, all values. Now third number going to explain. Third number is plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square. Now a plus b whole square from first number we can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now from second number we can write a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal 2ab cancel. Now 2a square, we can see 2a square and 2b square. 2b square. So this is plus 2b square. Now 2 is common and a square plus b square. Third number is proved. Third number, this algebraic identity, this is true for all value. So it is third number algebraic identity. Now going to explain fourth number. Fourth number is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal 4ab. It is fourth number. Fourth number, again by first number equation, a plus b whole square is equal a square plus 2ab plus b square. You have to remember all this identity. All 22 identity always keep in mind every time it is used in algebra. All time. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. From first number we can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square is equal this one minus. Now a minus b whole square minus 2ab plus b square is equal a square plus 2ab plus b square minus a square plus 2ab minus b square. Now a square cancel, b square cancel is equal 4ab. You can see 4ab. It is given 4ab. This algebraic identity is proved. Like this we can prove fourth number, and now fifth number we will prove. Now fifth number. Fifth number is condition if a not equal to 0. Always a not equal to 0 because they are given a plus 1 by a, and if a is equal 0 then 1 by a. If a is equal 0 then 1 by a is infinity. That's why their condition given a never equal to 0. Then only this identity is fulfilled. Fifth number is if a not equal to 0, a plus 1 by a whole square is equal a square plus 2 plus 1 by a square. Identity. This identity now we will prove. Again a plus 1 by a 2 times multiplication. Like previous identity expansion, we will prove 2 times multiply 2 times a square, then a into plus a into 1 by a plus 1 by a into a plus 1 by a square. 1 by a square is equal. Now a cancel, you can see there a square plus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 by a square given. Now a square plus 1 and 1, 2 plus 1 by a square. Now identity is expansion. This one is expansion of this form of a plus 1 by a whole square. a plus 1 by a whole square is equal a square plus 2 plus 1 by a square. Now you have to remember always this fifth number identity you proved. Now sixth number identity. Sixth number identity is sixth number a minus 1 by a whole square is equal a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. Going to explain. A minus 1 by a whole square is equal this one. Then again 2 times multiplication, 1 by 1 minus 1 by a into a minus 1 by a. Then again simple multiplication, a into a minus 1 by a minus 1 by a into a minus 1 by a, like algebraic multiplication, is equal a square minus a into 1 by a minus 1 by a into a, and minus minus plus 1 by a into 1 by a. Okay, now a cancel, a square minus 2 plus 1 by a square. It is your sixth number identity. Sixth number identity proved. Now seventh number. Seventh number I am going to explain. Identities are very important in algebra. It is used till last of mathematics. You have to use, and every time in each branch of mathematics, wherever algebra, it is needed. Now, seventh number. Seventh number is a plus 1 by a whole square plus a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to into a square plus 1 by a square. Now, that proof, to prove this one, a plus 1 by a whole square from fifth equation. From fifth number we can write a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. As we have multiplied previous in fifth number, so you can take from there a square, like that you can multiply 2 times to get a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. That addition of two expression, two identity, a plus 1 by a whole square plus a minus 1 by a whole square. A plus 1 by a whole square is equal this one, and a minus 1 by a whole square can take from sixth number identity. It is a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. Now 2 cancel is equal 2a square plus 2 1 by a square. Now 2 take common, is a square plus 1 by a square. Proved. Your 7 number identity proved. Now 8th number. 8th number is where I am explaining how to get it, and now from next time you have to remember all this directly you can put in your application. 8th number is a plus 1 by a whole square minus a minus 1 by a whole square is equal 4ab. 4ab, that we have to prove. First number from from the identity fifth number. You can take a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. This is from fifth number. And now from sixth number can take a minus 1 by a whole square. A square plus 1 by a whole square minus 2. Now break the bracket is a square plus 1 by a square plus 2 minus a square minus 1 by a square plus 2. 1 by a square cancel. A square cancel is 4. 4. By mistake I have written there 4ab. Actual way it is only 4. Now all identity completed today, and in my next part I will start from ninth number. Okay.